Good morning students and welcome to my today's class, and today's class we will be learning the degrees of comparison in chapter number 7 adjectives. Now what is degrees of comparison? There are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, so let's go to the first one, that is positive degree. An adjective is in the positive degree. An adjective is in the positive degree when comparison is made. When a comparison is made and the word is used in its base form. Naturally, a comparison is made. If two girls are there, two boys are there, among them we make a comparison, then only we start our sentence in its base form. Okay, so in its base form. So the first example is Mercury is a small planet. Okay, Mercury is a small planet. Okay, among these we have made a comparison with a Mercury planet. Mercury among all the planet. Now we are making a comparison, but in its base form. And what is the base form? The word small is in base form. What is the base form? A word small is in base form. Okay. So among all the planets, Mercury is a small planet. Among all the planets, Mercury is a small planet. So among all the planets, we have made a comparison. Positive degree when comparison is made and the word is used in its base form. So comparison is made among all the planets, but a word is used in the base form. Okay, positive degree we have used here. Second is comparative degree. The second is comparative degree. An adjective is in the comparative. An adjective is in comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns. Compare two nouns means दो nouns का comparing, सरखाते हैं. Okay, we compare. For the example, there are two girls. One is big, other one is small. Okay, you are elder, your brother is younger. Okay, comparison made between two nouns, whether it is a thing or whether it is a person. So, an adjective is in the comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns. So, now, here we have taken the Mercury is a small planet. So, degree is in positive form. Here we will be comparing because we are talking about the planets. So, Mercury is smaller than Saturn. Smaller than Saturn. See, now here we have used a comparative degree. So in a comparative degree, we use ER. To the base form, we add ER to the compare. Compare between two nouns. Comparative degree. Third is a superlative degree. Superlative degree, an adjective. Okay, an adjective is in the superlative degree when a comparison is made among more than two nouns. दो से ज़्यादा. Okay, among more than two nouns when the comparison is made. Now we are talking about all the planets. Among all the planets, we found out that the Mercury is a small planet. Okay, so among all the comparison we have made, but the degree is used in the positive form. Here, among all the planets, we find out that the Mercury is smaller than Saturn. Again, the Mercury is smaller. Okay, the comparison made between two planets. Now, here we are going to make the comparison. Okay, superlative degree we are going to use, that is the comparison made between all the planets, and we are going to learn an example, that is Mercury is the smallest of all the 8 planets. Among all the 8 planets, the Mercury is the smallest one. And in the superlative degree, by adding EST to the base form of degree, we make it into superlative degree. So dear students, what is positive degree? In the positive degree, a comparison is made among all, but it is used in the base form. Adjectives is in the positive degree when comparison is made and the word is used. Here we have made the comparison between all the planets. Among all the planets, we know that the Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay, the Mercury is the smallest planet. So from all the planets, we have found that Mercury is the smallest planet. But here we have used positively. And among all, when it is the smallest one, we have here used the smallest EST and ER. So for the comparative degree, we use ER, and for the superlative degree, we use EST. Again, on the page number 59, dear students, on the page number 59, it is given, the tables are given of positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Tables are given in your textbook. At the end of the table, there is a rule number 1. At the end of the table, there is a rule number 1. Adjectives which end in E. Adjectives which end in E from their comparative and superlative degree forms by the adding R or ST. So there are some words for the example. Okay, for the example, the words end with adjectives which end in E from their comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so formed by the adding R and EST. The words we are ending with the E. Okay, there we don't add EST. Rule number 2. Okay, see here the words are given large. The one word is given here, large. Okay, now it is ending in E. Ending in E. So when we change it to superlative, we used larger. So we add only R. And when it is in superlative degree, we add only ST. Okay, we add only ST. So words which are ending with E. So here we have taken large. So here the word is ending with E. So we add only R in comparative degree, and in superlative degree we add only ST. The rule number 2 of the degrees of comparison is that the adjectives ending in Y. So the Y is changed into I. Same like from singular to plural. Okay, same like from singular to plural. So the word is here lazy. The word here is lazy. Okay, lazy. So here Y is there. Okay, so we have to add when we change into lazier and laziest. Okay, this is the way the word which are ending with Y, we have to add lazier ER and EST. Rule number 3. Sometimes for adjectives ending in a single consonant such as T, D, G and etc., the last consonant is doubled. Last word is doubled, adding ER and EST. For the example is given here the word hot. Okay, the word hot. Okay, it becomes hotter. And superlative degree, it becomes hottest. So we have doubled here this last word T. The last word T is doubled here. Okay, and the rule number 4, the longer adjectives do not take ER and EST. Okay, the longer adjectives do not take ER and EST from their comparative and superlative degree forms. Famous becomes more famous, and superlative degree it becomes most famous. Okay, so dear students, these are the degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. The rule number 1, we learn that the word which end with E we do not take in comparative degree E, we take only R, and ST in superlative. The words ending with Y, we do not take Y, we drop the Y, then we add I and we take ER and EST. The word ending with some consonants, or the example we have taken, the word HOT, hot, that becomes hotter and hottest. And the longer adjectives, they do not take ER or EST. For the example, famous becomes more famous and most famous. So some of the words we are more and most. Okay. So dear students, before we go to the exercise, write down this work in your notebook with good handwriting. All the points you have to write it down. Dear students, now let's go through the exercise of the degrees of comparison. We were learning, okay, in the degrees of comparison about the planets we were learning, okay. So in this exercise also about the planets, which is the largest one, which is the tiniest one, which is the heavier one, comparing and in the superlative degree. So the answers are written here. The first one already they have done, and I too have done the answers for you here. So when we refer to size, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. So which is the largest planet? So Jupiter is the largest. That means it is in the superlative degree. Mercury is the tiniest among all planets. So among all the planet, Mercury is the tiniest. Again in the superlative is a very small. Though Mars is also small. Now it is in the positive degree. Mars planet, it is bigger than Mercury. Okay, it is bigger than Mercury. Venus is smaller than the Earth but bigger than Mars. It is the brightest of all planets. It is because of its brightness that is called the morning star. Now Saturn is smaller than Jupiter but bigger than all other planets. So here comparing and telling it in the superlative degree. It has more moons than any other planet. Saturn has as many as 18 moons. Uranus, the seventh planet, is larger in size but lighter in weight than Neptune. In spite of being smaller in size than Uranus, Neptune is heavier in weight. So here using heavier, bigger, smaller, these are the comparing. But this brightest, tiniest, and it is used in the superlative degree. Next page we compare the exercise number 2, that is the complete the following sentence using the appropriate forms of the adjectives, choosing from those given. So here picture is given, 3 girls are playing. One is having little long hair, one is having very long, other one is having short hair. Okay, among 3 girls, let's here also we are going to compare among them. So Nadia, Rohini and Grace are closest of friends. They live in the same locality and go to the same school. They love one another very much. So here Nadia is, how is Nadia? So Nadia is taller than Rohini. Okay, option as given here, we have to choose. The Nadia is taller than Rohini. Second, Grace is, so Grace is the shortest among them. Among them, the Grace is very shortest. Rohini is shorter than Nadia. Comparing between Rohini and Nadia, so she is shorter than Nadia. Nadia is the tallest them all. So Nadia is very tall among all 3 girls. So in the superlative degree. Rohini has very short hair. You can see on the 3rd girl, she has very short hair. So Rohini has a very short hair. Grace's hair is longer than Nadia. Yeah, Grace is having very long hair. Longer than Nadia. Nadia's hair is darker than Rohini. Yeah, among other 2 girls, Nadia's hair is darker. Grace's hair is longest them all. Okay, so here among the girls, their size and their hair and size of their hair and the color of their hair, they have
compare about. So dear students, these two exercise write down in your notebook with a good handwriting. You have to do it in the notebook as well as in your textbook, and also the explanation which I have done on the board, that also you have to write it down in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.